I think it was a valiant effort from their side, but that is all that they can do right now. That is all the distance that they can really cover, because at the end of the day, we just have 3 slots for the GC, and I believe it's just too late right now to make a comeback for the teams that are in the bottom half. But the teams that can really get in, it's just 40 points between 7C and if you talk
right.
about the top leaders.
I have a couple of questions for you guys. Do
Yeah.
you have questions for Hungry Box Fixes?
Yeah, I said.
What about you, Oshin?
Obviously.
Well, let's call him then. Without any further delay, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Hungry Box from the team 7C. Congratulations on your performance. You are in the top 5 right now, Hungry Box. How are you feeling? Is the pressure there? That's going to be my question for you.
Hi, Johnny, bro. Big fan, first of all. So we are in the top 5
Likewise.
right now, but this journey hasn't ended yet, because we have a lot of work to do still now, because we have around 2 matches left.
Yeah.
And currently, from the third position, we have around 13 points behind. So we need to cover that up, and we are really hoping for that late moment clutch that we can make sure that we can book our slot to the PMGC.
Well, that is an interesting thing, because, I mean, so I read this somewhere as well. I have been quoting a lot of Art of War today. And there's this quote in that book. You just pretend to be weak so that your opponents become a little arrogant, and then you strike them, then you take them down. If that is your tactic, I'm pretty sure that is going to work, because you guys have been incredible, be it the league stages, be it the finals, be it your performances in the PMCO, and it has been really incredible to watch you and your team play together. And also, something I find really interesting, another question from my side, I'm going to wait before I throw it to these guys, is going to be the fact that Hungrybox, your team, it was quite interesting, the formation of this squad, because you have players from both the regions, Nepal and Bangladesh, and you have been performing phenomenally, even though the barriers of the distance are there between you and your teammates.
Yeah. So after PMCO, it has been a tough journey for us, because we have been trying out the new rosters, and 3 players are from Bangladesh and 3 players are from Nepal. So communication was the major issue here. So we spend around 2 hours a day for ourselves, so that we can groom each other, and so that we can overcome that barrier that we have in communication inside the game. So we tried really hard to come into this position, and right now what we are doing is just a better version of ourselves, and we will try to upgrade ourselves in the later stages of the tournament. So if we look back into PMPL scrims, it was another level of 7C into the league stage. It was another level of 7C, and in final, we completely changed ourselves. So in league stage, what we have seen, actually, we were getting kills, but we are not actually, getting that positions point. So in final stage, we actually changed our strategies, and we are actually currently focusing on the position point. And right now, it was not going really good for us. And in the final, that we are actually trying to cover that up with the kill point. So let's hope for the best. We are still, very nervous, because our players are very young, and we are trying our level best just to hold our nerve, just to come down to the late game situation in the final circle, so that we can clutch that chicken dinner out. You have seen, like, we have got so many #2, but we didn't get the chicken dinner, just for the nervousness that we have. So yeah, let's hope for the best.
Well, now it's over to you guys. Do you guys have any questions?
First of all, congratulations. You guys are an inspiration in your country over there. But, likewise, you were just mentioning about focusing on position points. But that is not your forte, right? You are the killmongers. You are the kill hoggers over there. You go for the kills. Do we expect 7C to get back into their old playing ways in the last two games remaining?
It actually depends. It actually depends on the scenario that we have in any particular match. So let's wait for that moment when we need to jump into the map. Then we will understand. We need to wait for that moment to tell you guys. So you guys will be watching it on the stream, obviously, and we will be casting that. So let's support that, and let's wait for that then.
Well, Hungrybox, thank you so much for your time. We're going to let you go, because you have more matches to play. 2 more matches. All the best to you and your team.
Finger crossed.
All the best, buddy.
Yep. Fingers crossed indeed from us, from your fans, and the players are going to be performing really phenomenally in the next matches that they have.